Welcome back to the Lake District, and it's time to take you on another action-packed tour around this stunning area of the UK.
So guys, we're here in Ghyll Woods to find the waterfalls. Near Windermere actually, and Bowness and Windermere. We're just walking through the forest and all you can hear is water like cascading around. It's pretty cool. It's what I love about the Lake District. So let's go and find some waterfalls guys and explore this beautiful scenery.